Great-grandmother's letter. Besides, there are always pet names to tide one over. A practice of Bengali nomenclature grants, to every single person, two names. In Bengali the word for pet name is danam, meaning, literally, the name by which one is called, by friends, family, and other intimates, at home, and in other private, unguarded moments. Pet names are a persistent remnant of childhood, a reminder that life is not always so serious, so formal, so complicated. They are a reminder, too, that one is not all things to all people. They all have pet names. Ashima's pet name is Manu, Ashok's is Mithu, and even as adults, these are the names by which they are known in their respective families, the names by which they are adored and scolded and missed and loved. Every pet name is paired with a good name, a balanam, for identification in the outside world. Consequently, good names appear on envelopes, on diplomas, in telephone directories, and in all other public places. For this reason, letters from Ashima's mother say Ashima on the outside, Manu on the inside. Good names tend to represent dignified and enlightened qualities. Ashima means she who is limitless, without borders. Ashok, the name of an emperor, means he who transcends grief. Pet names have no such aspirations. Pet names are never recorded officially, only uttered and remembered. Unlike good names, pet names are frequently meaningless, deliberately silly, ironic, even onomatopoetic. Often in one's infancy, one answers unwittingly to dozens of pet names, until one eventually sticks.